Welcome back to MPT. Today I'm going to talk about 3 crucial capabilities that you must have in order to be successful with your phased array. In addition, in the white paper linked below, I go into more detail about those 3 areas, and I provide yet a 4th crucial capability. So be sure to check that out after you see the video.
Get your product to market faster with a custom phased array solution from MPT Corp.
Today I'm going to talk about 3 capabilities that will help make your phased array project a success. The first is electromagnetic analysis. Why is electromagnetic analysis important to the success of your phased array? Well, it's very important. Here's why. Electromagnetic analysis is used for antenna design and antenna optimization. It's because of electromagnetic analysis that we're able to do modern designs that incorporate the electronics and the antennas. Antennas are able to be designed, and very often we get first pass success because of the electromagnetic analysis. In addition, electromagnetic analysis is used for those fine interconnects that go from the electronic components to the antennas. That allows us to optimize the transitions so that the electromagnetic waves will travel seamlessly up to the antenna instead of having reflections due to impedance mismatches or to field discontinuity mismatches. We're able to achieve very low loss interconnects from the transistors and that are inside these integrated circuits all the way up to the antennas. So we transfer maximum power and have the least amount of losses from the antenna element to the low noise amplifiers on receive. So you can see electromagnetic analysis is a key factor in the success of phased arrays and making those phased array designs a success. The second most important item is thermal analysis, and specifically heat transfer. Heat transfer is important because it's how you predict the transfer of heat from the electronic components to the thermal path out to be dissipated into the atmosphere, or if it's a water-cooled system, out to the water cooling. Why is that important? It's because heat damages electronics, and if the thermal analysis is not performed correctly, the junction temperature of the transistors in those electronics will rise to a point where the reliability begins to be impacted. And if the reliability goes down, well, then you don't have a successful product. Through thermal analysis, it's possible to design the materials, the material stacks, the thermal path through the modules and into your heat pipes and out to, let's say, a heat sink, so that you get maximum heat transfer and low temperature differences along that thermal path. You can also take into account interfaces between different materials. And of course, with proper design, you're able to have a product that is reliable and will meet your customers' expectations. The third most important capability for successful phased array development is circuit simulation. Why is that? Well, circuit simulation is used for things like monolithic microwave integrated circuit designs and radio frequency integrated circuits, often called RFICs. Through circuit design, you're able to design those ICs, those integrated circuits, to meet specific requirements for your system. The result is performance that will achieve kind of the expectations that you need, and the result will be designs that are robust over process variations at your foundries. Another thing that circuit simulation is used for is for the design of the modules. For instance, a lot of phased arrays, I dare say most, will use transmit receive modules, either as separate modules or as integrated circuits. And the circuits that surround your integrated circuit are analyzed using what? Circuit simulation. And this combination of circuit simulation around the IC and around all the other components allows us to have high degrees of success. Why? Because we couple those circuit analyses with the antenna designs. So we have a system that's co-designed, and the result is higher performance, better reliability, lower cost, and customer success. So you can see how these three capabilities are important. Thermal analysis, circuit analysis, and antenna analysis are all important for successful phased array designs. And when done properly, you can combine your electronics and your antennas together to achieve a great performance. If this video was helpful, then check out the white paper linked below, where I give more details about these three crucial capabilities, and I add a fourth capability that's essential to successful phased array development. And if you're considering a phased array partner, contact us and you can get your product to market faster with MPT.